Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the model and software version, so you fetch the correct update. This prevents mismatches. Once done, connect the TV to a stable Wi-Fi or wired network and free at least 1 GB of storage. Make sure a USB drive is formatted FAT32 if you plan offline flashing. Now open Settings, go to About or Support, and select Software Update to start the automatic check. This initiates the process and shows whether an update is available. You let the TV download the update fully. Interrupts cause corrupted installs, so keep power and network steady. When prompted, accept terms and choose Install. The TV may reboot several times, that's normal. If the network download fails, switch to a prepared USB. Copy the update file into the vendor folder exactly, insert USB, then select Local Update from Settings. During installation, watch progress and do not press buttons. Patience prevents bricking and ensures the new firmware applies cleanly. You finish by verifying the firmware version in About and running a quick check of Wi-Fi, HDMI inputs, and audio so you catch issues early. If apps misbehave, clear app caches or reinstall them. Sometimes settings need a reset to settle. If the TV won't boot or shows errors, perform a factory reset or reapply the update from a verified USB recovery file. One key troubleshooting tip: keep a second device nearby to download firmware and logs in case you must contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.